Starting around 15 July 2023, Velo certainly is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.05% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which truly is very huge. Velo explicitly has a sort of all-out market cap of $21,525,327, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,244,691, which especially is genuinely critical. This basically makes Velo genuinely positioning at 572 in the digital currency market, as opposed to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo be especially worth in 2023? Or so they truly thought. Is Velo a kind of wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023? Which sort of is genuinely huge? Will Velo cost for the most part outperform its untouched extremely high in a sort of large manner? These generally are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, which for the most part is very huge. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost basically is supposed to for the most part cross and in every way that really matters, normal value level of $0.003, the normal kind of least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to be $0.003. Besides, Velo can sort of arrive at and in every practical sense, greatest value level of $0.004, which generally is genuinely huge. Velo value estimate July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Velo sort of is supposed to really arrive at least value worth of $0.003, which truly is genuinely huge. The Velo cost could fundamentally arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.003, with the typical cost around $0.003 in a kind of significant manner. Velo value expectation August 2023. The cost for Velo in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.003 and $0.003, showing how starting around 15 July 2023 Velo in every way that really matters is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.05%. In sort of most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner, while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.003, which by and large is very critical. Velo value expectation September 2023. Velo cost is supposed to reach between $0.003 to $0.003 in September 2023. While the truly normal cost of Velo for the September basically remains around $0.003 Velo value estimate October 2023. In October 2023 the cost of Velo especially is supposed to be at around an essentially least of $0.003, which truly is genuinely huge. Velo cost can generally arrive at an essentially limit of $0.003, with the really normal cost of $0.003 in United States dollars, which in a real sense shows that will Velo cost for the most part outperform its unequaled high, which especially is genuinely huge. Velo value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Velo by and large is gauged to generally be at around a really least worth of $0.003, showing the way that Velo cost can sort of arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.003, with the fundamentally normal cost of $0.003 in United States dollars, which shows that will Velo cost basically outperform its untouched high, or so they basically thought. The Velo value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.004, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Velo value expectation December 2023. The cost of Velo explicitly is really anticipated to generally reach at an especially least worth of $0.003 in December 2023, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Velo cost could arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.004, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.003 all through 2023, in a kind of significant manner. Velo certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Velo's cost basically has shown a genuinely decent increment of 2.06% in the essentially most recent 24 hours, which really is genuinely huge. Velo in a real sense is confronting an especially tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Velo essentially is down to nearly 0.92% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, showing that Velo value expectation December 2023. The cost of Velo fundamentally is in a real sense anticipated to sort of reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0.003 in December 2023, in an extremely enormous way. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for past kind of couple of days. The coin could sort of have areas of strength for certainly in any case. We don't generally believe that it would a beneficial resource and especially momentary in a quite large manner. Inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo especially diminished by 54.512%, dispensing with an incredible pretty typical amount of $0.003 from its kind of current worth incredibly. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be a sort of good, for the most part purchase and open door for in every practical sense, speedy speculation. Showing how Velo value estimate November 2023. In November 2023 the cost of Velo basically is determined to explicitly be at around a buy and large least worth of $0.003, showing the way that Velo cost can sort of arrive at an especially limit of $0.003, with the sort of typical cost of $0.003 in United States dollars, which basically shows that will Velo cost basically outperform its unequaled high extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change really is around 2.25%, and the cost certainly coursed from a genuinely least beautiful typical cost of $0.003 to genuinely greatest kind of normal cost of $0.003 in every practical sense, recent days, or so they generally thought. In essentially most recent 4 months Velo generally has shown a developing pattern, which truly is genuinely critical. In this way, we in a real sense believe that comparable pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period in an unobtrusive manner. As per the scarcely the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo certainly is expanded from 4 months in an unobtrusive manner. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The coin truly is up by 26.77%, with the genuinely most extreme buy and large normal cost of the coin especially was around $0.002, and the essentially least beautiful typical cost of in a real sense was around $0.002 and lovely beyond 4 months, which truly is very huge. Velo Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will in a real sense be Velo truly worth in 2023? Incredibly, the Velo cost